This unit operates 700 horsepower to 970 horsepower. This is the engine cover with complete walk-through access with lights, and it makes for easy maintenance. This is the QSK 19 litre Cummins, and this is an inspection hatch that gets to the front of the motor. Again, this is another control panel which is identical to the unit inside the prime mover. And as you can see, there's plenty of room for maintenance and servicing. These are the wear panels that are completely bolt on, bolt off for ease of maintenance and quick turnaround, which guarantees little maintenance and downtime. The drum width here is 1.2 meters wide, and the height of the drum is 1.7 meters, with a total weight of the drum in excess of 6 tonne. You'll now see the startup of the unit. Through this process, the drum will start up to idle speed of the motor, which it is just achieving now, and then you'll hear it go through its second phase, the full revolution. Here we have some medium density slash, which has a row of stumps directly underneath it. We are now utilising the machine to drive over the slash and to grind out the stump row in one pass. This particular machine here is the 700 horsepower unit, and here we're grinding to a depth of 300 deep. The average stump diameter is 600, and the stump height is anywhere from 350 to 450 high. The size of the mulch coming off the stump, as you can see in this next shot here, is nice and fine, so it will not take very long to break down. This unit is averaging between 2 and 4 kilometres per hour at 300 deep on this particular block at the moment. You'll also tend to hear a pinging or a ringing sound, and what that is in these blocks, it's all alluvial river run underneath, or rock, and that's the rock that's hitting the drum. As you can see here, this is typical of the area that the machine is currently working in. The deeper you get in the soil, the worse it gets. At about 200 deep, 150 deep, in places it's just straight rock. The ground is extremely compacted, and it takes a lot of horsepower to get through it compared to sandy soils or loamy soils. Again, here you can see the rock, so the machine has actually broken all that rock up into approximately 20 mil sizes. Again, you can see here where the machine has done other runs down, and also the size of the stumps that is going through. Is left very clean, and there's very little residue left behind. This just gives you an idea of some of the stumps. The rows here are 3.7 metre rows, the 3.5 in some areas. The stumps that we're mulching here or grinding are pine stumps. Pine stumps are one of the hardest to grind, as they've got a very flexible cell-like structure, and they pull a lot of horsepower from the machine. On the other side, we've got the hardwood stumps, which are a lot more brittle and breaks a lot easier. So therefore, we would use about 20% less horsepower to grind the equivalent in hardwood stumps. This is what the job looks like when it's finished. This is before, this is an after. Thank you very much for watching this video.